Hello, my lovelies. A Cold Queen here. Getting into some 7 Days to Die. I figured, made a few house flipper ones. Let's switch over. It's been weeks since I've played this. So, trying to remember what the fuck I'm doing is tricky. What the fuck was that? What did I just take? I don't know. Okay. How the fuck do I get down? Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I hate going down ladders. I'm so bad at it. Give me my parkour fucking skills. Okay. What's in here? Anything? Oh, I think this is the way back out? Question mark. Oh my god, I'm lost. No. What? Word. So... Oh dear. The stairs go down, but then they go back up. Okay, so I've obviously been over there. Can I jump this barbed wire? Word! Wow, this place is spiked up. What? Who? Where? Ooh. One I haven't read yet. Excuse me and thank you. So I was in here already. What goes on here? Fucking potatoes. I'll give you a goddamn potato. Oh, I hear 'em. I hear 'em. Okay, so what? Back around this way? They're like right outside there. Uh-oh. 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 Holy shit, get me out of this fucking place. Alright, we're just gonna take the easy way out. Oh, I hear a lot of feet. This is gonna be a problem whenever they find me, if they do. I mean, the music makes it sound like they're finna find me. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, God. No, reload. Reload. Reload real quick. Oh, my God. Worst aim. Worst aim of my life. Worst aim. Oh, my God. Worst decision of my life. Wow. Now I said I heard feet. I heard some fucking feet. Corbin, get the fuck out of here. Get out of here. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Make sure nobody's sneaking up behind me. No loot bags? Come on. Oh, I hear ya. You ain't sneaking up on me. Intensity, intensities. I don't want that. Okay, I'll take that. I'll definitely take that. Okay. No, Jack, you suck. Well, let's eat this. So what, we'll eat all 5 of them and we should have full num-noms. What are you twitching around for? Ooh, Torben, have we seen you close up, my friend? Now that's... Ooh. Ooh, that actually just gave me the heebie-jeebies. What about you? You fucking... nasty fuck. His eyes are kind of neat, though. Got him. Got that. Empty, empty, empty. Empty, empty. This way. That's the way I was going. Okay, then we need to get on the motorcycle. Get back to the trader. Alright. 9. Let's get the fuck out of here after we just took care of that huge swarm of zombies. Oh, do I need to go right? Yes. And I haven't gone that way, so that's good to know. That's not that far. Have I built a base? I don't think I have. Have I built a bed? I had to have. Ooh. That was close. That was close. Oh man, we gotta get there quick. It's getting late. Okay. Oh, get out of my face, buddy. I don't have time for you. Okay. I know where I am now. Alright, and then let's see what jobs he's got for us. I know there's one to establish a trading route, so maybe we'll do that. I've been putting it off and putting it off. But I've just been getting higher tier with him, so that's always good. Pick you up. Close that up. We don't need anybody sneaking in here.
What a wonderful day.
I need to get rid of something. That's steel. What is this? Iron. Okay. Super corn. There we go. Because he's going to give me a prize. My puffer jacket. Okay.
You did it. Great
You
job.
damn right I did it. I want that. Okay, hang on. Where'd that just go? It's not my... Oh, right here. Okay, and then complete. Go to this. Then go back to this. Get this other one off. Okay, and then go back to this. Word. Now I can sell the military thing. Sell. Ooh, look at all them dookie doodles. We don't need this. So let's sell that. We don't need that. We need that to fix shit, don't we? Or can we do it with this? I don't know. Okay. Oh, hell yeah. Sell my gold. Still tool parts. Do I need that to repair this? No. Okay. So it's only to build them that you collect those, not to repair them, right? I hope so, as I'm selling all of these parts. Tools and weapons to acquire these, use them to craft new items. I do want that because we don't have a rocket launcher.
Come back sometime.
Oh, actually, I didn't even look at your inventory. What do you got? Ooh, you have a rocket launcher? Oh, and I kind of want to. I've never shot one before. Oh my god. Okay, and then I need...
Safe travels.
Okay. Got any jobs? Let's do...
Can you do me a favor?
I know I said we might do the other trading route, but then we got this. Oh my god. It didn't even kill him. Oh, it killed that guy though. Oh my god. So I need it when there's like big swarms of zombies. Got you, Bill. I got you with my rocket. I hear him. Where are they? Oh. Hey, Wolfgang. Your names are all slowly coming back to me. Oh! Tony, you son of a skunk. Why they all got fucking nasty ass stuff in them? What, you played the music for a split second? There was that one zombie. Word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I got all the 7 deadly sins. Although, last I knew, inertia was not a deadly sin. Well, I need to go up, left, up. Okay. Up, left, up. Up, left, up. Okay. I gotta refuel soon. Getting lower than I'd like to get. You shut up. Right in the middle of the road. Okay. There we go. Now I hold you. And then do this. I want to repair this. And I don't anybody mess with me. At least this is a nice rock to get on top of if anybody gets a little crazy. Where? Oh. Let's see, where's my shovel? Bitch, I don't need no shovel. Just you. And then you. Where you at, Bill? I really killed him with like one shot. Bill, you a bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, I think you're a little too close to me. Oh, Bill? You know, I was like really excited for it. Oh, damn! It blows up the ground and everything. Get killed. What's up, Betty? Damn, I fucked shit up with that rocket. Who'd think one shot in the eye? I went too far? That wasn't even that far. You sent zombies at me. What do you expect? Stupid. Now I'm just mad. I almost want to blow up the house. Let's see. Let's do this. Okay. I'm going to send it right in the door. You ready? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Damn. Well, I got it in exactly like I fucking wanted to. Holy shit. I know I've already looted this house, so it don't fucking matter. I know that says untouched, but that's because I don't check the kitchens and shit. Wow. That was awesome. Look at it, blew up all the way fucking up here. Did I not loot this house? Yeah, I did. Okay. Alright, well now it's getting too late to go back to the traders. Don't do that, you idiot. Okay, so if I go up, left, and then right. We've not been up there. Let's go check it out. See what we can loot. I love looting. I think that is definitely my favorite part. I just love traveling and looting and finding the best stuff. I assume that's what most people like in this game too, but... Okay. Where's the road on the right? Okay, I didn't pass it yet. Thought it was a little closer for some reason. Could probably use a bandage. Okay. Have we not been up at all? Perfect. You love to see it. Haha. Okay. Alright, we're gonna take it easy with the rocket launcher since that is a bit excessive. Old sham sandwich. No thank you. I know you can make antibiotics with that, but I have 17. How much does that give me? Perfect. Like, that's exactly how much I needed. No gas out of here. Oh! Hey! That scared me. Oh, baby. I think I just heard about 12 zombies fall. Oh god. Oh god. I hear him. I don't need no... I will... What's up, Kevin? Intense. Intense. Where are you coming from? Ah! Well, there you are. 2 bills? Zora. Okay, my shot's getting better as we're getting along here. Which you would expect, but, you know, you never know with me. You see they're moving a little faster? Did you see that? Well, not this guy. I thought he was gonna fall, like, up like some of the other ones do. You gross. Hey, Betty. Look at that. No, I don't want this. I don't want this dirty water. I don't want your flesh. That one, not so good on the aim. Where's the next POI on this road? Oh, I gotta need to put my puffy jacket on. Is this a town right here? I see a town sign. Periston! Okay, so wear this. Oh, mommy. Okay, so let's drive around. I want to see what we're working with size. Wow. Holy shit. Guys, I'm so excited. Alright, we're circling Periston real quick. Again, want to see what we're working with, what size it is, then I'll pull it up on the map and look at it. Wow, it's fucking huge. Holy fuck. Is this like one of the biggest cities? Towns? Whatever they're... Oh, Shakam Nasaya. Mama's going there. That's kind of in the middle. I don't want to confuse myself. Okay, and then this is where I came in, right? No. No. Further this way is where I came in. Wow, Parishton, you're fucking gigantic. Okay, right here. Oh, you lucky Bambiton. Let's check out this. Check out this sign. Yeah, Parishton. Look at how beautiful this fucking game is. That moon, zombies creeping in the background, the atmosphere. It looks like it's a box to open. Okay. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. We found 2. What you got on you, baby? Nice. Word. I haven't gotten a yellow bag in a fucking minute. Out of here, Dustin. Get out of here, Betty. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. Ooh, level 6 military vest. We might hold on. We'll hold on to that at least to sell it, if nothing else. How is the fucking flesh considered food? What is it? Is this the cooling? That's the cooling one. But why can't I move this? Because it's already cooling? Lame. Oh my god. I hear him. I heard him coming. No, no, no. Oh my god, so many jacks. Blue bag. Where are they? Was that a screamer? Who was that? What is that? Jack, is this like your home place? 'Cause there's an awful lot of you around here. Oh my god. You a strong boy. Damn. Peter, no. Ooh. God. Who is that? Is that you? Anybody else want it? Oh. Oh. A lot of them do. I don't know where they're going, but let's shoot the ones actually trying to get me. 10 skills points I should probably spend. How are we doing here? Don't want that. You don't have nothing. I don't want that. Iron. This is steel though, right? So this is 66. And that does 20. You can stay there. Now, do I find a great... I've never tried digging down like this where there's a grave. So that one is already dug into. Gross. That one's already open. How do I regas it? I don't remember. I have no gas on me. Oh my god. What just happened? The game froze. Okay. Oh! Oh! Did I ever check that blue bag? Oh. Well, am I already collecting beer? I don't want beer. What's up, bud? I won't shoot you, Bun Bun. Okay, so we came in technically from that side, so we need to work our way. Look at me, hardcore, parkour, hardcore, parkour. 10 duct tape. That's pretty legit. That's legitness. Can I climb this? Nope. Floating piece of wood that just scared the shit out of me. Does my stamina go up slower because I'm cold? Not technically cold, but you know what I mean? Because it's cold around me. God damn, how do I get in here? Gotta break all this shit. Okay, so we can't go straight there. That's fine. I knew somebody had to be in there. They don't put those up for nothing. Alright. Damn it, shot him out of life. Oh man, they're outside. Oh, Arnold, I think that's you. No, no. Nothing good. Nothing good in there. Where are they coming from? They're coming from up here? would have been sad if he dropped a loot bag, so I'm glad that he didn't. What's up, bud? I was gonna say, what, I can't search him through the fucking wall? Has anybody figured out to go this way? Stupid barbed wire. Where do you think the loot is in this house? Basement or upstairs? I don't know. We're gonna finish searching the basement. No, feral bale. At least now we're getting loot bags like it's our job. I already have. Ooh, no, I think that's better. 25, 26. But for getting stuff, is it better? That's where it's 745. Where's the stupid other one I have? I think I dropped it. Don't know if that was the right choice or the wrong choice, but that was my choice. Oh, mommy found the loot. It was downstairs. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, let's pick this lock. Oh god, they sound like they're getting close. I can't tell if they're outside above me or if they're... They gotta be above me. I hear snow creaking. Whoa. Oh god. Oh man, okay. I need some gas. Let's repair this real quick. Let's go upstairs real quick then. We're obviously not going to find a bunch more loot up there, but there might be some more zombies to kill. And that is always... What are you doing in the house? You fucking nut. Okay. That was exciting. Oh, damn. Whoops. So these are both locked. Huh? Anybody in here? Oh, there you are. I wonder why it's like getting foggy. Is there like a snowstorm and I'm about to get like really cold? Where are people coming from? Okay, okay. What way are we supposed to go here? Okay, I need to get back inside. So what, this is... Okay. Just up that next set of stairs. So that is what this fog is. It's a snowstorm. Oh, I gotcha. You can tell I don't go up in the cold areas very much. Nothing. Disgusting. Ooh. Okay. That was from there to there. Ooh, dog food. Yes, please. Let's just eat it all while we have it. Let's drink some water. Perfecto. There's nothing else in here, right? Oh, you sly foxes. You thought you could trick me. Nah, dog. Nah. I look everywhere. Okay. So do I have to stay inside now? Ooh. Which way did I come from? I came from over there. So let's get into here real quick. Is it clearing up? I don't know what all these different musics mean. I suppose I'm probably supposed to go in this way. Pretty much. Ooh, hey, what? Well, at least it was only a golem. Nobody actually scary. Bunch of crap. Nope, I don't want that. I will... Did I just see a Dustin? I did. Ooh. Bunch of nails. This better be some good trash. Not particularly. Damn, bitch. You got a jump on you. 666. Wow. What kind of food pile is that? Okay, where are these fuckers? Ooh, I need this. I know everything else is way better that I have, but I'm cold. Ha! Heard you, sucker. You guys don't know how to be quiet. I hear you every time. Do I have one of those on? Yep, mine's green. Do they have different attributes? 3.9, 1.8. 3.6. I'm good. I'm good, buddy. Whoa. Harris just froze in time. That was a little weird. Ooh. Safe. Unlock, unlock, unlock. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay. What do we... I can't even use that on my duster anyway, so I don't care. Doo-doo. Look at all these chemistry stations, medical supplies. Damn, a bunch of ones I haven't read. Can I stick this on something? Let's see. I got it on that. I don't have it on that, but I doubt I can fit any more things on there. This one I can. Boop, boop, boop. Complete. See, there's always crap in the cabinets. Stupid bones. Like, anybody wants that. Okay, where'd we come from? There. We'll do one more house. I know this video's gotta be long as fuck, but... oh well, hopefully some of you stick through it with me. Okay, garage. Ooh. Oh no. Somebody killed themselves. Ooh. There we go. Come on. I'm just gonna go around through. What's up? Ah! They're coming up the stairs. They're coming up the stairs. No, they're not. They sound like they're coming up the stairs. Alright, there's nothing to search. I don't know why I keep going back in there. Here we go. Why did it sound like he was coming up the stairs? Ooh, come on. Come on. First try. Do it. Nope. Okay. Second try. Do it. Yeah. Sweatshirt. So I already have a sweatshirt on. So I shouldn't get cold anymore, right? How much shit do you have to put on you to not be cold? Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Oh man, that just scared the shit out of me. Ooh, you thought you was gonna sneak up on me, Timmy. Nah, dog. Okay. Nice! I'm getting so many that I didn't even have. Which is amazing, because I thought I had a ton of them. Oh, mama want that. What do I get rid of? What do I get rid of? Let's get rid of this thing. Okay. Ooh. A military helmet. Ooh, I'm so torn. Alright, let's get rid of that. Search this box. I already got a level 6. That does 15. That does 17. Alright. Perfect. We looted this place. I'm going to end this video because it is way too long. I'm sorry, but I just get so sucked into playing. I fucking love you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.